Today, I'm going to show you how to repot this beautiful plant. Some of the telltale signs that a plant needs to be repotted is when the roots are showing on the surface or through the drainage hole, when the soil is dry and needs a lot more watering, when the growth of the plant is much slower, not maybe during winter time, but in general, then it needs a bigger pot. Another sign is when the top of the plant is 3 times bigger than the pot. Here I'm going to be using some compost soil, a bigger pot, and some water at the end. You won't need to use fertilizer because the soil itself is still fresh. And make sure that you don't use the soil that's left behind because it's already been nutrient depleted. And the way I'll be taking the plant out is by wiggling it a bit until it comes out. Some plants are different, maybe they need a bit more force, but this one came out easily. And as you can see, there are a lot of roots. It really needed some space to grow. Placing your plant right in the center, and then placing some soil all around, covering the roots of the plant, making sure there's about like 1 inch or 2 above the roots, and then watering it when you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.